Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share colorful DIY tray which you can create and decorate in Holi festival. So let's start with this DIY. Here I have cardboard tray. Now here I am adding one extra layer of cardboard on the base to make it more sturdy. Now here I am pasting white paper on the base. After that, here I am using different shades of acrylic color and drawing some random pattern which looks like color splash. After that, here I am using pink color tassel lace and attaching to it by using stapler. Now here I am using small size clay pot, pasting tassel lace on it by using fabric glue, decorating this clay pot by adding colors in it. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.